there's something else that's a Peter Pan collar. It's
it's more rough, yeah.
Yeah.
But for some reason it kind of reminded me because it's just kind of fun.
Yeah.
You know, with all the little details.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Things on the back too.
And he's got some style.
Well, it's so funny too because I was thinking about coming. I'm such a vintage hound, you know. And I was thinking about coming here today and all the Gibsons, and I'm like, I love everything vintage, and I have just the dream of the vintage Gibson guitar, you know. So
what would that be?
Well, I mean, Gar actually found one, an incredible one.
Like a J45.
Yeah, the J45 would be sort of the dream, you know.
What year's?
60,
Which one? What makes it different?
Maybe a 62.
They made it all the way back into the 40s.
I saw a guy with a 59. That guy that I told you about, his name was James Coverley Smith, who's just, I wish I should have brought that picture. Because that guy was playing my dream Gibson guitar. He was playing, it was just, the tone on it was just like nothing else.
What makes it so different?
It's just,
Was it the type of wood? It's
the sonority of it, like the sound of it is just so, he was on stage with a bunch of other guitar players, and just when you would hear him do solos, just the bass notes were so deep, and it was just really, really warm. It was like a character, you know, it becomes another character, rather than just being an accompaniment to the song. It's just like, it's a voice, you know, that speaks.
That's right.
Oh my God. So, yeah.
Oh.
Sexy dreams of Gibsons.
Boy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Give her some air. Would you like some air now?
It's tough. It's pretty. I'm surrounded, and then there's a picture of Bob Dylan. Good times. Okay. We're ready to roll. This is a song called Listen Once, and it's on the record. And here we go. Swim these veins, but you complain there's too much. Too much. Thousand times I can tell you that you're wonderful, exactly as you are. 1,000 times I can tell you that I love you so you can listen once, listen Yes, indeed.
It's all about the songs. It's all in service to great songs. And she writes the great songs.